We're going to be starting in 2 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome to Kent Hackenough 2020. This is going to be a super fun event. We're going to be doing some cool hacking and hopefully get some cool prizes too. So before we get into everything, we need to start by talking about our sponsors, prizes, and some rules that we need to get into. So let's get started. So first off, special thanks to our awesome volunteer team, as well as Major League Hacking for helping get this event together. They've been helping a lot considering that this event is completely virtual this year, as well as the Kent State Computer Science Department for helping us with some more prizes and other resources. And let's thank all of our sponsors. Again, Kent State Computer Science, Major League Hacking, Sticker Mule for helping us get set up with all of the stickers that are being sent out to all your hackers because we can't do that much swag right now because, it's completely virtual. As well as Google Cloud, Echo AR, RSM, and Hacksu. Thanks to all our sponsors. Make sure you keep saying that in chat and all that stuff because these guys are really nice and they're helping us out a lot. So let's get right into the prizes. So first place is going to be $1,000 for the whole team. This is, again, for the whole team, so this is not for each individual. So if you have a team and you win first place or any of these prizes, you're going to have to split it up amongst yourselves. For second place is going to be $750 for the whole team. And third place is going to be $500 for the whole team. And we recommend teams of 4. Then we've got even more prizes. For example, best game, which is going to be, as it says, the best game. And this is going to be $250 for the whole team. As well as the best high school hack for those who are not in college yet, which is going to be $250 for the whole team. And then from the Kent State Computer Science Department, we have the Big Data Prize for $500 for the whole team, as well as Best International for $500 for the whole team, which is among a team of individuals from a wide variety of different countries. So next, let's hear it from our speaker, the Kent State Computer Science Department, Dr. Khan.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to this wonderful event. I think are everybody ready for next 36 hours, right? Of creative thinking. wonderful event. So I'll just say a few things, two ideas. One is like you are already into it. You are learning programming, using programming to solve very interesting problems. In fact, you are very fortunate, the generation. The way I see it, almost anything you can imagine today, you can actually implement and realize it. So you have this magic wand now, okay? Computing, programming, everything is at your fingertip. Almost anything. It was not in any time before your generation. We didn't have that luxury. So almost anything you can think about. In fact, in the next few hours or the next few days, you will be actually practicing some part of it. Okay. So the core here is you need to know how to master the computer and programming. Okay, you are doing it. I think try learning more. Okay, and also another interesting part is that you don't need to be just a computer scientist to do that. Just not a programmer. So when we are talking about real life problem, the real life problem requires everyone. Okay, you have to think about your society, the human psychology, the user. Okay, yes, physics, chemistry, everything can come in the way. Geography, okay, everything can come in the way to solve the problem. But it is highly interdisciplinary in nature. So when you take on any real problem, okay, it's very important that you form group with complementary skills. And also, as you move along with your life, get into, I understand many of you in the high schools, many of you in the universities, some of you are finishing your masters and maybe more, right? But try to learn new and new skills. And there was no better time than now that almost anything you can imagine, you can implement it. And the rewards are also very big. Like we hear about Steve Jobs and others, right? The innovators in computer science. But or let's say Google, Amazon, whatever, they have become very rich companies. But I would say that maybe we have seen about 100 very successful innovators, entrepreneurs. But in your generation, I can almost see there'll be 1,000 and actually 100,000 more Bill Gates are there. Okay, this is just the beginning of that age of computing, innovation, and implementing whatever wild ideas you have. You can implement it now. So welcome to this hackathon. Okay, sharpen your tools, every kind of tools, programming, math, biology, chemistry, social science, understanding people. So this is going to be a wild, wild west for you for next 50 years. So welcome. So I'll end with that. And computer science department, okay, the engineering department, we are there to help you. But that's not the only way to prepare yourself. Okay, thank you so much.
All right, thank you from Dr. Khan from the Kent State Computer Science Department. Next, we're going to go over to RSM.
Buddy. My name is Ken Smith. I'm a technical director within the security and privacy risk consulting practice at RSM US. First, welcome to the hackathon. Thank you so much for giving up a Saturday and spending some time with us, Saturday and a Sunday, I guess, and spending your time with us in this worthwhile endeavor. Huge thank you to the organizers, both students and faculty. This is not an easy undertaking, and we really, really appreciate the effort. I imagine it's even more of an effort being 100% remote. And so your time, your energy, your effort, your participation is greatly appreciated. Also, big thank you to all the participants. Without you, this would just be a very boring series of Zoom calls where we stare at each other for several hours at a time. So really appreciate you being here as well and making this event a success. I have to say I'm a really big fan of the retro theme this year. As a child of the 80s and the 90s, most of my personality exists as a series of references to The Simpsons and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So really appreciate that, making us old folks feel young again. So RSM, I mentioned, I'm a technical director there. RSM is primarily known as a tax and audit firm. We're one of the largest in the world, operate all over the country. I'm coming to you live from Northeast Ohio right now, but we have offices all over the country and the world. Now, that being said, we're actually a very large consulting practice as well. So my role specifically within the organization is to help lead our team of offensive security experts. So these are our ethical hackers, our pen testers, our web app, people that poke at web apps, right? We're the ones who are hired to come in and pretend to be the bad folks, right? Find holes in security programs before the real bad people can get to them. I've been in the industry as a network tester, an app tester, physical pen tester for a decade, and I'm incredibly passionate about career and skill development, and which is why I jumped at the chance to participate today. I'm very, very excited to be a part of this. Specifically within information security, right, innovation is at the top of lists of critical skills that are required to succeed. Really, specifically within even offensive security, it's really just a giant arms race, right, between the white hat hackers and the black hat hackers, right, trying to constantly get ahead to make sure who's going to come out on top. And the second we stop being able to think outside the proverbial box, right, we're toast, and that's the end of things. And so events like this are very, very important for success, right? So even if you have no plans to pursue a career in information security, where you're a traditional computer scientist, you're a biologist, you're an engineer, right? Just know that by being here today, by giving up your time and participating in this event, you've already achieved something incredible, and you're well on your way to succeeding in whatever field you choose. Now, that being said, if security happens to be your thing, we will be giving a workshop this afternoon at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where myself and Kyle Ziegler, who's another member of our security and risk privacy consulting practice, an associate, will be talking about getting into security as a career, opportunities and pathways, both at RSM and just abroad as well. And Anthony Catalano, who leads our security transformation team, which is a group focused more on the long-term strategic value of security for our clients. He'll be leading office hours at 3 p.m. As well through Discord. So once again, we'll cut it short here. Thank you so much to everybody for your participation today. To the teams, best of luck, have fun, enjoy the time, and hopefully everyone does well. Thank you very much.
Thanks to RSM. Next, we have a prepared video from Google Cloud.
Hi everyone, my name is Ryan and I'm a developer advocate at Google. Our challenge for the weekend is about Google Cloud. Cloud computing is all about getting things done using someone else's computers. So when you use Google Cloud, you're getting things done using Google's computers. Google Cloud lets you build and host applications and websites, store data, and analyze data, all in Google's highly scalable and reliable computing infrastructure. We have a suite of developer products that you can try out in your hackathon projects this weekend. We have App Engine, which is great for deploying web apps to the cloud. We also have Firebase, which is our mobile development platform featuring the real-time database. We also have other databases like Cloud Firestore, Cloud SQL, and Cloud Storage. We also have Google Maps platform, which gives you the power of Google Maps data in an API format. I also want to highlight our Google Cloud Machine Learning APIs. These allow you to gain insights about your data using pre-trained machine learning models hosted on Google Cloud. And what's awesome about these is that you don't actually have to know any machine learning yourself to use them. You're simply using the power of Google Cloud's machine learning to help you analyze your data. So we have APIs for video intelligence, vision, speech, natural language, and translation. The vision API is for analyzing images. One feature is landmark detection, detecting important places in your photo like the Golden Gate Bridge. There's also label detection, which gives you descriptions of what's going on in the image, like resort and swimming pool, as well as a confidence score from 0 to 100% for each one. There's also face detection, to detect different faces in the photo, along with their locations, as well as emotions like joy, sorrow, and anger, and how likely they are for each person. Our natural language API is for analyzing pieces of text. One feature is entity detection, detecting important keywords in the text, like Pennsylvania, Biden, and campaign trail. There's also sentiment analysis to detect how positive or negative your text is. We have an API challenge this weekend for best use of Google Cloud. Just use any Google Cloud product in your project to qualify. Each member of the winning team will receive a Google Cloud Patagonia backpack, a trophy, and a water bottle. We also have a second place prize, which is a Google Nest Mini for each team member. We also have a second challenge, the Google Cloud COVID-19 Hackathon Fund. We are looking for outstanding projects that use Google Cloud to solve for COVID-19 related challenges. Selected projects will receive an exclusive invitation to apply for up to $5,000 of additional Google Cloud credits and guidance from Google developers to help you continue your project beyond the hackathon. Potential categories include healthcare and life sciences, economic impact, social engagement, and education and distance learning. Learn more at g.co/learncloud/hackathon-fun. Check for an email from Major League Hacking to activate $25 in Google Cloud free credits. We have a Google Cloud workshop Saturday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, where we'll cover data and machine learning with BigQuery. We also have a Firebase Tech Talk recording available on Discord, where Andrea covers several key Firebase products. If you have any questions or need help, ping us on Discord and we're happy to help you. Thank you.
Thanks to Google Cloud with that prepared video. Next, EchoAR. EchoAR is an active participant in the hacker community and helps dozens of hackathons worldwide. They work on redefining AR and VR development and content creation. They're providing Kent some software for hackers to use and a few prizes for Kent Hack Enough. Details about this are going to be posted in the Discord. Next, we're going to hear from MLH with a prepared video.
Hello everyone and welcome to Kent Hack Enough. My name is Mackenzie and I will be your Major League Hacking coach for the weekend. This is my 14th hackathon as a coach and my 33rd overall. I'm a Kent State graduate from December of 2018 and I'm currently a software engineer at IBM. I've actually been to every Kent Hack Enough since 2016, so if I already know you, hello, virtually. I started off as a volunteer, I was an organizer for 2 years, and last year I was also here as a coach. This is what the picture is going to look like this year, so be sure you're in the KHE 2020 Discord to connect with myself, all of the organizers, and of course the other hackers. Everything you need to know this weekend will be at this URL, hack.mlh.io. If you forget anything from this presentation, you can probably find it there. So, what is Major League Hacking? Well, we are the global hacker community made up of 135,000 hackers just like you all around the world. And by being here this weekend, you're winning community points for your school. You can also win points by bringing your friends to other member events, local Hack Day events, and local host workshops. So what are we doing here this weekend? Well, I will be hosting U.S. Air Force Cybersecurity Challenges at 7 p.m. this evening. This is a series of 3 capture the flag-like events, but no cybersecurity knowledge is needed to participate. In fact, they're a great way to learn, and the person who finishes each of the challenges fastest will win a prize. All of the overall hackathon winners, that is first, second, and third place, as well as all of the MLH category winners, will receive a beautiful 2020 season t-shirt courtesy of Capital One. If you need a creative break from coding, enter the Draw an Octocat, Win an Octocat competition by drawing your take on Mona Lisa the Octocat and tweeting that entry at GitHub Education at MLHacks with the hashtags MyOctocat and KHE 2020. GitHub also has their student developer pack for you. This is hundreds of dollars in free development tools and learning resources. All you need for this is your .edu email to sign up. You can also Google GitHub Student Developer Pack to find it and sign up. We have all the resources you need this weekend. Domain.com has a free .tech, .space, or .online domain for you with a year of domain privacy using this weekend's code, SPOOKYSCARY. There in the bottom right-hand corner, SPOOKYSCARY will get you your free domain. Google Cloud is here with up to $100 in free Google Cloud credits for everyone. Check your email for the code sent to you from MLH to receive these credits. And the team that has the best use of Google Cloud will win Google Nests. Also, any Google Cloud hacks about COVID-19 will be eligible for Google Cloud's current promotion of winning up to $5,000 in Google Cloud credits. They will determine those winners later on. If you need a SQL database in the cloud, check out CockroachDB. They have 30 days of free cluster access with unlimited usage. They've got you covered. Everyone who uses CockroachDB this weekend will receive a t-shirt from them, and the winning team will receive 3D printer pens. If you're building a hardware hack this weekend, DigiKey has free Grove starter kits with Arduinos in them for the winning team. And hardware can obviously be any physical hardware, and since this is a digital hackathon, emulators count as well. Also, skills for home devices like Alexa count for best hardware hack. If you have no idea where you're going to start this weekend, MLH has some awesome hackathon starter kits for you over on our GitHub. These are covering projects like Node.js, Python, Radar for spatially aware hacks, and DataStax. Here's an overview of the MLH category prizes for this weekend: Best Use of Google Cloud, Best Domain Name, Best Hardware Hack, Best Use of CockroachDB, and the GitHub Octocat Drawing Contest. Everyone who demos on Sunday will receive an iDemoed sticker. It will be one specifically designed for KHE 2020, so that's super exciting. I would like to see each team demo, no matter how complete or incomplete your project is. It doesn't matter. We all want to see what you've built, and you will get this iDemoed sticker and potentially other sticker swag from MLH. If you're looking for an awesome job or internship right now, MLH has some companies that want to hire hackers at the MLH Career Lab. On a more serious note, by being here this weekend, you've agreed to the MLH Code of Conduct, and that says that MLH hackathons are a safe space for everyone. No abuse or harassment will be tolerated, and since we're on Discord this weekend, unfortunately, people think it's a lot easier to harass other people, spam other people, troll other people. None of that's acceptable, and if you see something or hear something that's breaking the code of conduct, please come to me. You can DM me on Discord. We also have incidents, email, and phone numbers. But with that being said, thanks again to all of our partners, and happy hacking this weekend. I can't wait to see you over in Discord.
Thanks to MLH with that prepared video. Again, make sure you follow their code of conduct throughout the hackathon, because we don't have to want to worry about anyone being mean to people. So next, let's get right into the schedule. Pretty important stuff. So you can find this on khe.io/schedule. We also have this posted in the Discord as well, and we'll be putting this pretty much every single place that we can. So don't worry, this information is going to be everywhere. I am going to go through it pretty fast, but if you have questions, you can always ask an organizer. All right. So to start out, hackathon check-in has already occurred, and we're doing our opening ceremony right now. So hacking is going to start immediately after this opening ceremony is over around noonish. We're actually going a little early right now. But after that, at noon, we're going to start a team building exercise in the Discord, which will allow you to meet other people and try and find a team if you're having trouble with that. And that's going to be hosted by a Discord bot. Then from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., there's going to be a Google workshop, and that's going to be really fun to attend. From 2 p.m. to 2:30, there's going to be a Kent Computer Science workshop by Dr. Samba. And he's going to be explaining the undergraduate computer science program here at Kent State University and some scholarship opportunities. From 2:30 to 3, it's going to be how to start your hackathon, which is going to help people who are maybe beginners, stuff like that. We're going to give you a lot of cool resources on how to actually get started in doing a hackathon. From 3 p.m. to 4, there's going to be RSM office hours where you can go and chat with them and ask them a bunch of questions. From 4 p.m. to 5 from 5 p.m. to 6 is going to be trivia sponsored by RSM, where you can test your 80s music, movie, and video game knowledge at a trivia game. From 6 to 7 is going to be Google Office Hours, where you can go talk to Google. And from 7 p.m. to 8 is going to be an MLH workshop, where they're going to be doing a cool cybersecurity challenge. And then from 9 p.m. to 10 is going to be a Jackbox fun mini event, which is going to be led through the Discord. And also, all of these are in Eastern. This should automatically localize on your own page. Next, on Sunday, is going to be an Among Us at 12 a.m. to 1 a.m., which is going to be led through the Discord. Then, from 4:30 to 5 a.m. is going to be a healthy half hour, which is kind of just a relaxing time where we're going to release a cool video that's just, take a moment, take a breather, get some exercise in, because, it's a 24-hour long event. You shouldn't be hacking for the whole time. You need to get up and walk around a little bit. From 6 a.m. to 7 is going to be a workshop on Flask, which is going to be led through the Discord, where one of our organizers is going to help teach you how to use Flask, which is used in various web applications to create different routes for like a website and stuff like that. And that's going to be using Python, so that'll be really cool. And then from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., there's going to be a workshop for coding after the hackathon, which is going to talk a little bit about, let's say your project goes really good at this hackathon, what are the steps that you can take to continue it beyond the actual hackathon itself and possibly turn it into like a real project idea or company or whatever. And then from 10 a.m. to 11 is going to be a Scribble.io mini event where we're going to be doing that with various tech terms and stuff like that. So that's going to be really nice. Now, this is very important. From 11 a.m. to 11:59 p.m., this is the final hour that dev posts are going to be due. In order for us to judge your projects, you need to submit a dev post. Dev posts should already be open by this point in time, and you can submit it at any point in time. But as long as you must get it in before 11:59 on Sunday. If it is not in, we will not have time to judge you, and we cannot accept it. So we're going to be hammering this in every announcement channel that you absolutely need to have it submitted by then. And that this 11 a.m. to 11:59 is the final hour that you can submit it. From that point, at noon, hacking is going to end. And that's when everyone has to, put all their pencils down and everything, stop typing, and we need to just get right into judging stuff behind the scenes, which again, from 2:15 p.m. to 3 is when we're going to be judging all of your projects. From 3:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m., we're going to be doing closing ceremonies, and we're going to showcase the winning projects. And at 4:30, the hackathon is officially over. Again, all of this information is going to be posted multiple times in the Discord, as well as the dev post link. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask an organizer. And again, here's where this is. It's khe.io/schedule. And if you scan this QR code, it will also take you there. Also, there is a Discord bot workshop from 2 p.m. to 2:45 on Sunday. Apparently that's not in the schedule. But it is going to happen, so make sure you attend that. Again, Discord bot workshop on Sunday from 2 to 2:45. All right, keep up to date with the Discord. We're going to be posting information about everything in the Discord, so make sure you keep up to date with all of that. We're going to ping you when anything important is going on. If you are not sure where the Discord is, it was sent out in your acceptance email. So if you can't find that, you need to search your emails from staff@khe.io, which is the address we sent it from. And it may be in your spam or junk folder. Make sure you check that. And that's pretty much it. welcome to Kent Hack Enough 2020. We're so excited you guys are here. Again, make sure you guys reach out to our staff and organizers if you have any questions at all, and you can speak to the mentors and stuff like that if you have any more technical oriented questions, and talk to the companies and sponsors. They're here for you guys. All right, so that's pretty much it for me. Happy hacking, everyone.